Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce project in Visual Studio Code. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. Next, download and install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI, which is crucial for interacting with your Salesforce org. Finally, open Visual Studio Code and install the Salesforce Extension Pack from the Extensions Marketplace. This pack provides essential tools for development. Now that your environment is ready, let's create the project. Open the command palette in Visual Studio Code by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on Mac. Then, type SFDX, create project and select it. You will be prompted to choose a project template. Standard is a common choice. Give your project a meaningful name like My First Project and select a folder on your computer to save it. With your project created, the next step is to connect it to your Salesforce organization. Reopen the command palette and search for SFDX, authorize an org. You'll then choose your org type, like a sandbox or production environment. Assign a memorable alias, such as dev.org, for easy identification. A new browser window will automatically appear, guiding you through the secure login process to link your Visual Studio Code to Salesforce. Once connected, you can begin developing. You can retrieve existing metadata from your Salesforce org into your local project. After making your desired code changes or creating new components, simply right-click on the specific file or folder in Visual Studio Code. Then, select SFDX, Deploy Source to Org to push your updates. This process allows you to continuously synchronize your local development with your Salesforce environment, ensuring your changes are live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.